here in Skyway Classics Dallas. We got a awesome 1968 Chevy Camaro 327, numbers matching, blue on blue on blue. What a cruiser. The drive is awesome, steering is great, brakes are nice and tight. Go ahead and stop here real quick. And back to take off. Gear shifting is smooth. And an absolute showstopper. I mean, this paint is sharp, catches the eye. Personally, love the blue. Alright, gonna do a little lap around the block here, and we're gonna take her back and put her on the hoist and check out the undercarriage.